Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this glam eyeshadow look, and it is a lot easier than you think to achieve a glam look, so if you want to learn how, then keep on watching. I obviously did all of my other makeup off camera just so that we can focus on the eyes just for today, and I am using two different eyeshadow palettes, but they're both affordable. So I'm going to be using eyeshadow palette by H&M. I'm going to be using this brown and this silver right there. I'm going to be using both of those. So, and then I'm going to be using Miss Rose Professional Makeup. Well, it's basically a bunch of eyeshadows. This one is from Wish, but I believe this pink right here. I hope you can see that. So basically, if you don't have these eyeshadow palettes, I'm basically using a very light gray with shimmer in it, so it's like a silver, and I'm using a dark brown and a medium pink. We're actually going to start with the pink, so I'm just going to be using a brush like this. It's not a fluffy brush, it's more firm than that, and this one is just, I don't know the name, but it has, I don't know if you can tell, firmness to it, and I'm going to use that to get the pink, and I'm just going to put it in my corner. And I don't mind spilling over with this one. I'm just gonna put it in my crease. Just because I want this to be like a pop of pink, but the color that you're mostly gonna see is the silver and the brown, but with a pop of pink. So I don't mind bringing it all the way to the front. I really don't. So it should look something like this, and you do the same on the other eye. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna be using the very dark brown one, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner as well. Not inner corner, my outer corner as well. But I'm not gonna bring it forward too much. I just wanted to lay in the outer corner, just bringing it a little up here. And then to make the line that I want for it to follow with the eyeliner, I will use a flat brush, so it looks like this. And I'm going to be taking the same brown and I'm just going to be putting it on my lower lashes and then bringing the line out so that it becomes a nice guided line for the eyeliner I'm going to put later. Now you don't put it more than like halfway to your eye, or yeah, halfway I want to say is the correct placement. And I want to make sure it is an angle right at the outer corner. So it has, but it's pointy as well. Just because I want it to fade quite nicely into the eyeliner. You can see the difference already. Like from the sides, how this is more like elongated and lifted. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So now they look like this. And I'm just gonna be blending this out. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, it looks like this. And it's Essence Eye Blender brush. And I'm just gonna blend all of it. I want it to still be kind of sharp, so I'm not going to blend any more than this. And you do the same on the other side. So now it looks like this. And I'm going to be now applying the light silver. And with that, I'm just going to use a sponge like this. And I'm going to focus it on my inner corner, but I'm going to blend it out into the rest of the eyeshadow. Don't bring it too high because you don't want it to cancel out the pink. You want the pink to be there. And I'm switching to the flat brush that I used before. Just make sure you wipe off any excess from before. And I'm going in with the silver just so that I can get a sharp line. So it looks like this. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Now what I'm going to do is take the blender brush and just very, very softly I'm going to blend just around where the colors meet. So with the silver and the pink and with the brown, just very gently. If you don't know how to blend softly, you hold at the very end like this, and if you can flip it like this easily, then you're having the correct grip on your brush. Touch up any of the darker areas if you feel like the silver has gone too far. I have it here, just at the very end. Again, I am applying quite lightly so that I get the color back, but I don't intensify it so much. I have to go in with the blending brush because that's just more work. With the eyeliner, I'm going to be using H&M's Dip Liner Ink, and it looks like this. And I'm going to be doing a winged eyeliner, but I'm going to be following, hold on, I can point with this one. I'm going to be following exactly at the lowest line, or at the edge of the eyeshadow. That's exactly where I want the liner to sit. So there is no eyeshadow underneath my liner. That's how you get that sharp look. And that's why you don't want the eyeshadow to be too low. You want it to just be in your lash line so that when you do your eyeliner, it's just gonna be an extension of your lower lashes, and no, it's not gonna drag your eye down as long as you angle it upwards or in any way or shape that fits your face shape. Now for me, I like it this way, and it's like an easier guide because I don't have to. I already made sure my eyeshadow is correct to my face, so they are the correct angle to match on both sides, and so when I put the eyeliner on, it's actually going to be easier. I think the hardest thing is getting them even thickness, I guess. I am going to need to look in the mirror for this. So now I am only doing it to like halfway of my eye, the liner. It doesn't go any further in than that. And that is the eyeliner. Now I'm going to be putting on the mascara, and I'm going to be using, well, I'm going to curl my lashes first. I don't know why I always forget to say that I'm going to do it, but yeah, I'm going to curl my lashes first, and then I'm going to be putting on mascara, and I'm going to be using Maybelline The Colossal, and it looks like this one. And I don't dip it, and I just go on the lower lashes. So now I'm gonna be taking a eyeliner pencil, and use a soft one if you can, because if not it's gonna hurt more. But I'm gonna be using Kik's Lasting Liner in the shade Black, and it's a twist one, so it's quite soft and it looks like that. And you're gonna line your waterlines, but you're gonna line all of your upper line but only halfway on your lower line. So from the outer corner to where we finished our eyeshadow, that's where you're gonna line the black one. You're gonna think it looks weird, but it's not. I'm gonna show you that it doesn't look weird. Now you see the difference from this eye to this eye. This one looks a lot more elongated and snatched, if you can use those words. I don't say snatch ever, like for the video I'll make an exception. Now the final touch to this eye look is that you take the same silver as before, the light one, and you just apply it to your inner corners. And there you have it, the finished look. It looks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment, and if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!